This is AgentEye. Every tool call, model response and hook your agents fire captured live in real time. Drill into any session and get the full picture of what happened. Across events, hooks, the timeline, parallel sub-agents, tool calls, everything in the same dashboard for you to understand where your bottleneck exists in entire agentic session. You can see the raw JSON payload to see every place that was triggered during the session. Not just this, you can configure evals which are LLM based or deterministic to objectively capture if your agent is behaving well or not. We also have model, tool and hook based categorizations as to where your bottleneck exactly is in this specific session. This is great, but do you really want to read through all of this data to understand your agent? Maybe, maybe not. So why not just ask what went wrong in this specific session? What were the blockers? Let's try to understand that. This agent lives on AgentEye and has access to all of your agent logs. It pulls this data real time and helps you understand your agent to the very detail. In this specific session, let's see what it finds. Okay, so it found a first blocker. The run one was good, but in the second run, human wait tends to be a blocker. The session stalled primarily because the agent required 2 consecutive human approvals to delete stuff, and that sat unresolved for 94 minutes, and ultimately this request was cancelled. Okay, is this a one-off case or is this happening quite often in my agents? Let's find out. Can you tell me if this is happening in other agents as well? And now it goes ahead and fetches the other session logs to see if this is happening only in the session or it's a common pattern. Interesting. So since May 23rd, this is happening consistently. Human loop resolution has gone down to 0.17 from a good score of 0.8, 0.9. Interesting. This is something I would have to look into. And I also get specific sessions which I can use to further debug the problem. Not just this, we have top-level model, tool and hook-based dashboards to give you an understanding of how your agents behave in different verticals. Here you have a tool call level filtering for your specific agents. We can see all of our errors across our agents in a single view, and using this, just go ahead and start debugging. We also ship a CLI that can be an input your coding agent, and you can just set up a self-improving loop for your agent.